Alrighty, so I thought I'd give a little tutorial video for anybody who's like new out in the field as far as with sewer and everything. So this here's your pipe wrench. I don't know if anybody showed any of these new guys yet, but we got 4-inch clay pipe down in there, right? And I don't have anything to access that clay pipe, but I got my pipe wrench, and the pipe wrench will make it so you can get access to any pipe. So I'll just take my jaws and open them up to as close to 4 inches as I can, right? And then we're gonna close them all the way. Okay. Now, Alvin, if you want to get down here and show them. There you go. You see that? Most of the clay pipe's eliminated now. Can't do nothing about that though. That's a different tool you need.